What's going on, everybody? It's Tanner here with Ducati Austin. Here just off of 35 and Breaker. How can we not make a video of this bike that we got in here today, the Lamborghini V4 Streetfighter? The reason I wanted to make a video was for this new exhaust we had installed. As y'all can see, bike has really not been ridden since the exhaust has been put on. We have done the first service to this bike. It's probably got just over 600 miles. It is getting ridden, but it is just one of a collection of bikes, so it's not going to rack up miles too fast. But I wanted to just kind of give you all a walk around of how badass this exhaust looks on this Streetfighter. Some of the other mods this customer decided to go with for his Lamborghini. As you can see, just to start off, the exhaust looks quite crazy. Y'all have probably seen, if you've seen a couple of our videos, the high mount on the Streetfighter already. But one interesting fact about kind of the new high mount system they are coming out with for the Streetfighters is you have the option for this new gloss carbon. Of course, I think the main reason they decided to do this was for the Lamborghini, because as you can see, all the other carbon fiber bits on this are that gloss finish, rather than the typical matte carbon that comes on most of the front fenders and rear fenders of bikes like the V4R and some of the previous models. Just kind of a cleaner look, but on this bike, I don't think you should go with any other style than the gloss. It just kind of course, matches everything, but just follows with how just wicked this bike is. And as I said, I'll show you some of the other features that customer threw on, such as the Rizoma mirrors, Sato front and rear sliders. Typically, I'm not a big fan, even though this is mostly an unpopular opinion, not a big fan of these stealth mirrors. But once again, just how rowdy and crazy this bike looks. It kind of hides. They kind of hide in there. Don't really see them all too much, which, I mean, of course is awesome, which you're trying to go for, and they are a stealth mirror, so kind of does follow with. Of course, this Lamborghini comes with the Rizoma gas cap. We're also looking at number 138 out of 630. I'll give y'all a start up here so we can hear the drag clutch as well as the full exhaust system. Make sure I got the key. Customer does have a custom keychain made as well. 138 with the Ducati and Lamborghini logo, of course. But yeah. We got Evotech front radiator guards, once again a must. This bike does get ridden, like I said, not too much. And another common piece we've been putting on a lot of Streetfighters is the oil filter sump guard. Just a pretty relatively cheap piece that saves you a lot of money if you were to hit a speed bump too fast, rocks chipping up, or even if you have to go through gravel. I know probably not on this bike, but we do see some other Streetfighters with some banged up underside of the motor. That's probably enough talking. Bike really does speak for itself. This thing is wicked. Let's give her a start up. You already can see the home screen. .38 out of 630 Streetfighter V4. Oh, I was lying the whole time. It was another customer that we've done the 600 mile service on. This one, 172. A little warm before we get to the small rest, but absolutely insane sounding motorcycle. There's nothing like this bike on the street. Customer says every time he takes this out, it's almost so dangerous. People trying to take photos, filming you going by, not even paying attention to the road. But what do you expect from something that looks like this? Pretty wicked. Thank y'all for checking out the video. I know we didn't post it in a while, but we got some more special stuff coming, some special edition bikes, some new part installs I want to go over, and especially this new Hyper back here.